Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the classic word search board game. First, understand the objective. Find all the words from your given list hidden within a large grid of letters. The game typically comes with a main letter board, individual word lists for each player, and pens or pencils to mark your discoveries. To start, each player takes a word list and a writing utensil. Ensure everyone has a clear view of the central letter grid before the game begins. Now let's dive into finding those elusive words. Words can be hidden in 8 different directions: horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Importantly, they can also be spelled forwards or backwards within any of these directions. For example, a word might read from left to right, right to left, top to bottom, or bottom to top. When you spot a word, clearly circle it on the main letter grid and then cross it off your personal word list. Scoring in word search is straightforward and rewarding. Typically, players earn 1 point for every word they successfully locate and mark on both the grid and their list. Some versions might offer bonus points for finding longer words or specific challenge words designated beforehand. The game usually ends when all the words on the collective lists have been found, or if a predetermined time limit, perhaps 20 minutes, has been reached. The player with the highest total score wins. To boost your word-finding prowess, here are a few helpful tips. Try scanning the grid systematically, perhaps moving your eyes across each row from left to right, then down to the next. Another effective strategy is to look for less common letters like Q, X, or Z, or for double letters, as these can often be the starting points of words. For an extra challenge, introduce a timer, maybe 10 minutes, to encourage faster searching and add a fun, competitive edge to your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.